let's review the idea of walking in cross system. Every time we get into the cross system, the element will be defined with a backward 8. So walking in cross system can be seen as a variation of how to start a backward 8. And in this case, the leader, 1, 2. In 3, I will step forward with my left. So in this point, I change weight and I step forward with my left, and the follower step backward with her left. And then our right will be in the same line. Then backward 8. And exit here, feet together, the leader changes, his weight will move his right. Right outside partner, then go close. Let's see from the point of view of the follower. 1, 2, now I change weight. 3, left and left. 4, my right, her right. And then backward 8. Here we close it with leader changing to step with his right. Outside partner, then go close. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, backward 8. Outside partner, then go close. One more time. 1, 2, 3, left and left. 4, right and right. Diagonal, diagonal, feet together. Right for the leader, left for the follower, then go close. Okay, let's try that element.